Hey guys! Manufacturers of coatings, plastics, and cosmetics, gather round. Let's get straight to the point about the pitfalls of titanium dioxide today.
Most frustrating. I always get scammed when purchasing titanium dioxide, afraid that expensive ones aren't worth it, and cheap ones are fake. How to tell them apart?
Who understands, guys? Cheap titanium dioxide seems to save costs, but in fact, it has poor hiding power and yellows easily. You need to apply 3 more coats when painting walls, and plastics end up full of pits. It's actually a bigger loss. Let's teach you to zero-cost identification tricks. Even newbies can master them in seconds. Texture test. Real titanium dioxide feels astringent when rubbed, while fake powder is slippery like oil. Water test. Grab a handful and put it in water. Those floating on the surface are real, and those sinking immediately are probably fake with impurities. This is our own factory. Every batch of titanium dioxide undergoes 3 laser inspections. If the impurity exceeds 0.01%, it will be directly destroyed. We dare to sign a color fading compensation contract. No need to worry about getting